So let's cook. These green bananas, they turn black, meaning they're old. But I'm gonna make sauce out of it. The 3 I have more left, but what I know from my mother is that I do not throw food. Something I have to work on. Okay. Now I am living alone right now. It can be challenging to cook. Not that it's hard, but tend to forget ourselves when it matters the most. Like, I only eat dinner these days. I don't know why, but I don't eat processed food, so or from the market, the ones in a can or McDonald's. I don't really deal with that. But today we're gonna turn this into a sauce for the rice, and it might spend a few more days in the fridge because I can't finish it alone. And I think that's it. I'm not entirely teaching you how to do something, but it's like let's learn together type of thing. So what I do is fill up the pot with the water up to the top, even though it's a 3 green banana. Then I'm going to just put it on the stove for about 30 minutes, because after this I'm gonna go hang somewhere else. Then I'm gonna cut my vegetable. Obviously I didn't do it on the camera for some reason. So I got onions, green onions, small ones, and I have green vegetables. So right now it's ready. Hi. They seem to be ready. I cut everything, and I'm gonna check on the green bananas again to see what's up. So today I'm using palm oil to cook. It's this thing at home we do. Not everyone uses it. I hear that it's not good for you, but I don't really know the science behind them, but it's really good. Right here you don't have to worry about the color of the food being browned, and it tastes really good. So right now it's ready. I always run away and open the door when I'm doing it so I can prevent the fire alarm to go on. And I've been doing it for years now. After it's nice, but this is the downside of it, is there is a potential of fire whenever you're cooking with oil, so you have to be careful and always alert when I'm dealing with oil. I don't want to burn my hand. You don't want to burn your hand either way. So I think you should just enjoy it. So after I put in how do you call them? If you paid attention, there was some eggplants. I'm putting them right now. They reacted to the oil so bad. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and peel green banana and just add them to the oil to change their color to yellow. It was burning so hard, but I dealt with it. It was okay. But you can always use 2 types of spoon and peel with everything off. I had to add everything together because it's very soft. So I added the onions, I added green vegetables, I added those beans, very important as I mentioned, and I did a lot of water, because the sauce is a sauce and I don't really mind it, but I put a salt, so we use the salt a lot. If there's no salt, there's literally no taste. As you can see, I'm burning so hard. But have a beautiful day. This is my first video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. After, let's see where we get to this life. Have a blessed day. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. That's a lot. Look out, step ready, pull. That's cute. Come on. That was too much. So it became harder because I spent way too much time in the refrigerator. So we don't leave anything out. So I peeled everything and it looked like this. I didn't expect it to make any noise really, but it would have been beautiful if it happened. So I'm gonna put my fire up because I put it down, and when I was preparing these, so it's gonna look good either way. So for the oil to come out. So beans are very important in our culture. Like if you don't have a beans, you are poor, very poor. I don't even think it's about culture. I think it's where we grew up. Beans were the main ingredients, like you used to eat anything. I never seen anyone use it in the meat, but if you're the one, you can do that too. So beans can be a sauce, you can eat them, and with the potato, with sweet potatoes, with those matoke I'm cooking, like you just go with everything. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm done with you.